Does your dish machine setup cost you more than it should, or is it falling short of the results you're expecting? Keep watching for a solution. Dish machines are the heart of any kitchen, and getting them to work just right means more than loading and pressing start. Some businesses will take advantage of your busy schedule and overfeed chemical products. To help you get your dishwashing program on track, we will visit your facility and provide a recommendation free of charge. In this video, we'll show you what you can expect from a survey with State Cleaning Services. Let's start with the volumetric titration. One of the big things that we do with our surveys at the business is we like to make sure that everything is measured just right in your machine. It's called a volumetric titration. The reason that's important is because you don't want too much chemicals or too little. If it's too much chemicals, it could leave residue on the plates and on your glasses. If it's too little, you're not getting the results you want. Another important thing about the titrations is you want it to be at the level that is expected by the health department. With those two standards that we do, it really makes sure that you and your customers are getting the best results. With the many years that I've been with State Cleaning Solutions, I have found that every survey is different. Every location might have a different machine, high temp, low temp. The electrical is set up differently. The chemicals that they're using and they need to use are different as well. That's why these surveys, they're so invaluable, because it allows us to know exactly what you're doing and where your needs are. The great thing about State Cleaning Solutions is that it doesn't stop just at the dishwasher. If you're in need of floor cleaners, degreasers, basically any chemical that you would need at a restaurant, we can provide you with direction and information that you need to resolve those issues. And lastly, the great thing about the surveys is that it allows us to be face-to-face with a potential customer and start that partnership with State Cleaning and the business. Now that you've learned how our dedicated service representatives take the time to find a program that fits your needs, it's time to take the next step. Visit www.stateindustrial.com and click on the Contact Us form to connect with our team and schedule your survey to get your kitchen running at peak performance.